The Gmtk Game Jam, pretty much the biggest game jam there is. Of course I had to join. And this time I was going up against an army of talented game developers, and surely I won't end up on top, but I will try my best. And the theme for this year's jam is...
Joined together.
Together, what can we do with this idea? The thing I came up with, that you are chained to a huge heart that you have to carry around. The heart belongs to a demon lord, and it's your job as his loyal servant to slay all the humans you can find and grab their souls and make the heart feed on the souls.
Here comes the aeroplane!
So you can eventually revive the demon lord himself. So the game basically works like this. You spawn by some ruins where the heart is, you pick up the heart and make your way down to the little village. You walk into the village like the good little cultist you are, and then you start stabbing away. And then you throw out the heart to start gathering souls. After you reach a certain amount of souls, you get to choose a new power-up. You have 4 to choose from. A laser, fireballs, a teleport, heart spikes. And then the first wave starts. And this happens for the next 4 waves until you have chosen all the power-ups. And then it continues for another 3. So there are 7 ways in total before you beat the game. Of course the game also has some bugs. One which is pretty bad, for example there's one bug where the game freezes. But overall I'm pretty happy with the game, and in general it's pretty fun and nice to play. If you want to play the game, you can find it in the description or my itch page. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, at the moment, all of my assets are on a 40% sale, so check that out if you want to. And with that, have a great day.